Hello all, welcome to Genius channel. We are going to do some previous year maths NDA questions. Please see the question number 48. This is a question from trigonometry. What is 1 plus tan alpha tan beta the whole square plus tan alpha minus tan beta the whole square minus 6 square alpha 6 square beta? So try to do this. Options are given 0, 1, 2, 4. And once you do this, once you get the answer, just comment the answers also. I'll give you 1 minute for solving this. Just solve and tell me the answer. Have you got the answer? See, there is a plus b the whole square over here. 1 plus tan alpha tan beta the whole square. We can apply a plus b the whole square. What is a plus b the whole square? That is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now here I have a minus b the whole square. So apply that also, a minus b the whole square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So apply that. So this will become 1 plus 2 tan alpha tan beta plus tan square alpha tan square beta plus this one a minus b the whole square, that is tan square alpha minus 2 tan alpha tan beta plus tan square beta minus 6 square alpha 6 square beta. Okay, now listen here, 2 tan alpha tan beta minus 2 tan alpha tan beta, isn't it? So that both will go cancel, isn't it? Okay, so this one and this one will go. Now listen, here I have what remaining. I have 1 plus tan square alpha tan square beta plus tan square alpha plus tan square beta minus 6 square alpha 6 square beta. Now I'm going to take tan square beta common from this. So I have tan square beta. If I take common, here I have tan square alpha plus 1 plus here I have tan square alpha minus 6 square alpha 6 square beta. So I'm not doing anything. I'm just taking tan square beta common from these two terms. Then this term is remaining as such. These two terms are remaining as such. Then I'm taking common tan square beta from this. Okay. Now remaining part I'm writing here. So what I have now is 1 plus tan square alpha plus tan square beta into tan square alpha plus 1 minus 6 square alpha 6 square beta. So now from here and here I can take 1 plus tan square alpha common. 1 plus tan square alpha, if I take from here common, it will become 1. Then if I'm taking 1, that will become tan square beta minus 6 square alpha 6 square beta. Now listen, what is 1 plus tan square alpha? That is 6 square alpha. What is 1 plus tan square beta? 6 square beta minus 6 square alpha 6 square beta. So that is answer is 0. So after this step, I am just rearranging so that I get the result. So answer is option A, 0. Please go through. Okay. So let's go to the next question. Question number 49. If P is equal to cosec theta minus cot theta, Q is equal to cosec theta plus cot theta the whole raised to minus 1, then which of the following is correct? PQ is equal to 1, P is equal to Q, P plus Q is equal to 1, P plus Q is equal to 0. So just check which is the correct answer. Okay, so I'll give you 1 minute. Try doing this question. Once you get the answer, please comment your answers. So what they have given? They have given P is equal to cosec theta minus cot theta. What is Q? Q is equal to cosec theta plus cot theta, the whole raised to minus 1, isn't it? So I can write this as 1 by cosec theta plus cot theta because inverse is there. No? Now, what to do is you have to multiply the numerator and denominator with the conjugate. So that is cosec theta minus cot theta. Here, cosec theta minus cot theta. Now try. So this is a hint. You have to multiply the numerator and denominator with the conjugate. All of you try now. The numerator will become cosec theta minus cot theta. Denominator a plus b into a minus b, that is what? A square minus b square. That is cosec square theta minus cot square theta. So that is cosec theta minus cot theta divided by, what is cosec square theta minus cot square theta? Remember the identity. 1 plus cot square theta is cosec square theta. So what is cosec square theta minus cot square theta? 1, isn't it? So 1. So the answer is cosec theta minus cot theta, that is nothing but P. So we have solved Q. So we got Q is equal to P. That is the correct answer. Q is equal to P. So option B is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer. Okay. Now go to the question number 50. Question number 50. If the angles of a triangle ABC are in the ratio 1 is to 2 is to 3, then corresponding sides are in the ratio 1 is to 2 is to 3, 3 is to 2 is to 1, 1 is to root 3 is to 2, 1 is to root 3 is to root 2. All of you try. Once you get the answer, just comment your answers also. Okay. So, how would you proceed? What they are given, we have a triangle. In that, angles are in the ratio, isn't it? Angles are in the ratio. So this is 1, 2, 3. So angles are in the ratio 1 is to 2 is to 3. So angles I can take 1x, 2x, 3x, isn't it? So 1x, 2x, 3x are the angles. Now listen, the angles are 1x, 2x, 3x. So what can we write? We can write it as 1x plus 2x plus 3x is equal to 180, isn't it? Angle sum property. Sum of the angles of a triangle is 180. So what you get? You get 6x is equal to 180. X is equal to 180 by 6, 30 degree. So 1x I got as 30 degree. So what about 2x? 2 into 30, 60 degree. What about 3x? 3 into 30, 90 degree. So the angles are 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Angles are 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Now see what is the property of triangle? What is the relation between sine of the angles and sides? Remember the relation sine rule. What is sine rule? If this is side A, if this is side B, if this is side C, how can I write? How can I write? What is the relation between sides and the sine of the angle? What is sine rule? Remember sine rule. How can I write? A by sine A is equal to B by sine B is equal to C by sine C. So here A, that is this side, by sine 1x, that is sine 30, is equal to B by sine 2x. 2x means 60. B by sine 60 is equal to C by sine 3x. 3x means 90. So A by sine 30 means, so like this we are taking this by this, A by this sine of this angle, B by sine of this angle, C by sine of this angle. So sine 30 1 by 2, B by sine 60 root 3 by 2, C by sine 90 1. So the ratios are, so if I'm ratios are right, how can I write? So here 1 means 1 by 1. I'm just making this into ratio. So multiplying numerator and denominator 2. So I have 1 by 2 is to root 3 by 2 is to 2 by 2. So the ratio is 1 is to root 3 is to 2. 1 is to root 3 is to 2. Okay, so once you get this, just make that into the same denominator for finding out the ratio. If anybody don't know how to find the ratio, this is the method to find the ratio. If you don't know the sine rule, just write down the sine rule also. This is known as sine rule. This is the relation between sides and sine of the angles. So here answer is 1 is to root 3 is to 2, option C. Okay, let's go to the next question. Question number 51. Question number 51. Consider the following statements. For an equation of a line, x cos theta plus y sin theta is equal to p in the normal form, the length of the perpendicular from the point alpha comma beta to the line is alpha cos theta plus beta sin theta is equal to p. The length of the perpendicular from the points alpha comma beta to the line x by a plus y by b is equal to 1 is a alpha plus b beta minus ab by root of a square plus b square. You have to find out which of these statements are correct. One only, two only, both one and two, neither one nor two. Okay, I'll show the statements once more. We are doing the 51st question. Okay. So I want all of you to try this question. 51st question. Read the statements clearly and identify whether these statements are correct or wrong or anything. Okay, I'll give you 1 minute. Just read that. Okay, so let's see. First statement. For an equation of a line, x cos theta plus y sin theta is equal to p in the normal form. Length of the perpendicular from the point alpha comma beta to the line is this one. Okay, let's see. What do you mean by normal form? What they will be giving in the normal form? In the normal form means, suppose I have a line, then normal form means they will give the perpendicular distance from origin. Perpendicular distance from origin, that is P. Perpendicular distance to this line from origin, they will give us P. Then the theta. Theta means angle made by this perpendicular with the positive direction of x-axis. So these two details they will be giving. What are the details given by them in the normal form? In the normal form, they will give the perpendicular distance from origin to this line, and they will give the angle made by this line with the positive, this perpendicular with the positive direction of x-axis. Then what is normal form? Normal form is x cos theta plus y sin theta is equal to p. That is normal form. Here they are saying the length of the perpendicular from point alpha comma beta. There's a point alpha comma beta, and we have to find the length of the perpendicular from the point alpha comma beta to length of the perpendicular from the point alpha comma beta to this particular line. Okay, so what is the formula for finding length of the perpendicular from a point to a line? What is the formula? From the normal form, how can you write? So length of the perpendicular from a point, length from point alpha comma beta, perpendicular length, okay, from point alpha comma beta to line given in the normal form. We can write it as D is equal to modulus of alpha cos theta plus beta sin theta minus p by root of cos square theta plus sin square theta. Okay, now what you will get? You will get the answer as modulus of alpha cos theta plus beta sin theta minus p. Alpha cos theta plus beta sin theta minus p. That is the distance of the perpendicular distance from a point alpha comma beta to a given line. Okay, but here instead of minus they have given plus. So the statement is wrong. The statement is wrong. So the first statement is wrong. Okay. So please copy down if you don't know the questions for perpendicular distance from a point to a line whose normal is given, whose normal form is given. We can use this formula. Okay. Now come to the next statement. Next statement. So the first statement we have got it as wrong. Now come to the next statement. Length of the perpendicular from point alpha comma beta to the line x by a plus y by b is equal to 1 is. So what they are asking, length of the perpendicular from point alpha comma beta to a line x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. X by a. X by a means a is x-intercept, a comma 0. So this is given in intercept form, isn't it? That is intercept form. This form is known as intercept form. Then this point is 0 comma b. Okay, what you have to get? You have to get the distance of this perpendicular distance from this point to this line. This line is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So let's see how to do. And for that, I'm just rearranging this question at this line's equation as x by a plus y by b is equal to 1 as bx plus ay is equal to ab. Or bx plus ay minus ab equal to 0. That is also correct. Bx plus ay minus ab equal to 0. Now, what is the formula for finding the distance? Distance is, please note down. Distance is, here we have points as alpha comma beta, isn't it? You have to find the distance from this point to this particular line, isn't it? So, alpha into b, sorry, alpha into b, okay, this b. Just like we wrote here. Same thing. Here we wrote alpha into cos theta for the first one, no? Alpha cos theta, first one we wrote, no? Alpha cos theta plus beta sin theta minus p. Similarly, I am writing here alpha into b plus beta into a minus ab divided by root of a square plus b square. Alpha b plus beta a minus ab by root of a square plus b square. Okay, so that is the distance. But see here they have given alpha a beta b. That is wrong. Okay, x coordinate you have to multiply the part that is coming with x, that is b. What is the answer? So the second statement also we got as wrong. So first statement also wrong. Second statement also wrong. So the answer is, they are asking which of the following statements are correct. So the answer is neither one nor two. Neither one nor two. See, that is the option D. Neither one nor two. Option D is the correct answer. So see you everyone. See you in the next video. Thank you.